In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Qantas frequent flyer account. If you have joined this loyalty program of Qantas or have an account of this, in this video, let me show you the quick process of logging in. Now you can visit the website of Qantas, which is qantas.com, or you can directly search up Qantas frequent flyer login. So it's going to directly show you the login link of the frequent flyers. So just click on the frequent flyers login, and it's going to take you to the login section. Now from here, to log into your account, you'll need to type in your membership number, your last name, and your PIN. If you don't remember your membership number, click on the forgot number link. And from here, you can type in the email address that you used while signing up for the frequent flyer, and then click on submit. From there, you can follow a few steps to know your number. Once you type in the number, in the second box, type in your last name and then type in the PIN. If you don't remember your PIN either, click on forgot PIN and type in your membership number again and your last name, and you can click on next. And lastly, if you want this device to remember your details the next time you open up, you can check this box, but avoid doing this step if you're not using your personal device. Once you fill in all of these information, click on login and you'll be successfully logged in to your Qantas frequent flyer account. So I hope this tutorial video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.